MobiePay Wallet App. The pros, the cons. The MobiePay Wallet app promises to revolutionize how we use digital currency for everyday payments. But is it really the future of mobile crypto transactions, or just another flashy fintech app? Let's take a closer look at the pros and cons. Starting with the pros, MobiePay's biggest strength lies in its simplicity. It's designed to bridge traditional finance and crypto, allowing you to spend digital currencies just like cash. You can link your debit or credit cards, buy crypto, and even make payments directly from the same interface, all without needing multiple apps or complex wallets. MobiePay also offers real-time rewards. Users earn cashback in the form of Mobie tokens for every transaction, whether they're shopping online or in stores. Those tokens can then be traded or spent again, creating a circular economy that encourages ongoing use. Another plus is universal accessibility. MobiePay supports both fiat and crypto, meaning users can hold it alongside assets like Bitcoin or Ethereum. It's ideal for anyone who wants to move smoothly between traditional and digital money. Security is also a highlight. MobiePay integrates advanced encryption and two-factor authentication, ensuring your funds and personal data stay protected. The company also follows strict compliance standards, which builds trust in an industry often criticized for lacking oversight. Now, the cons. While MobiePay is powerful, it's still relatively new in the market. That means limited adoption and fewer merchants currently supporting direct Mobie transactions. Also, transaction speeds and fees can vary depending on the blockchain used, something new users might find confusing. Additionally, because it's a custodial wallet, you don't fully control your private keys. That's a drawback for crypto purists who value total ownership. In summary, MobiePay is an exciting hybrid wallet that blends convenience, rewards, and accessibility. It's perfect for users who want to use crypto in their daily lives without friction. But if you're focused on full decentralization or advanced blockchain control, you might find its simplicity a bit limiting. Still, it's a promising step toward mainstream crypto payments.